Skills USA. My name is Joe Fingerhut. If you don't know me, that's because we didn't see each other at the Fall Leadership Conference. Now, that is not a big deal because I am here to talk about the state conference happening in April. The challenge for all of us is how to take the experience of a state conference and transfer it to an amazing virtual experience. Well, thankfully, we had a test run back in December. Now, you might not have heard about it, but we had a huge conference set up for the fall and we had to do it virtually. So the challenge is, how do you take the bells and whistles and energy and impact of an in-person event and deliver the same way virtually? If you're anything like me, you might be exhausted from all of these Zoom rooms and online experiences. But when it's done right, the experience can be amazing. Going into the fall event, I didn't know what to expect, and I didn't have very high expectations. However, the staff involved, the leadership team, and the time and the effort put in produced an amazing result. We had so much energy and a lot of impact, and that showed up in all of the feedback and the surveys that went out. Well, guess what? We're gonna do it bigger and better at the state conference. This April, the Vermont Skills USA State Conference is gonna be one of the best virtual conferences that you will ever have experienced. Now, it's possible it'll be your first one. This conference is gonna have competitions, workshops, networking, connections, keynotes. It's all gonna be online delivered to you in a form that is gonna be highly impactful and very interactive. How do you get to it? I'm glad you asked. The first step, you have to join Skills USA. You gotta be careful here, the deadline is coming up. The deadline is Monday, February 15th. You gotta go to this website here. The good news is signing up for Skills USA is very affordable. You get all the benefits of membership, the networking and the connections, plus the opportunity to attend the state conference in April, all for only $100. What? Get out of here. What? It's $13 to join Skills USA? $13? Well, now the only question is, where do I go? Where do I go? The Vermont Skills USA website. It's right here. Go to this website. There's a big window right there that says sign up and join Skills USA. That's the first step. I will see you there. I'm excited to see a bunch of Skills USA rock stars again. You guys stay safe. Get on that website, sign up, and we're going to do another one of these to tell you a little bit more about the conference in February.